Today, I'm going to show you how to create a refracted glass effect or fractal glass effect in Affinity. Let's get into it. I've got my canvas and image ready. Now I'm gonna get the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle like this. I'm gonna set the width to 25 pixels and leave the height as is. Now for the color, I'll use gradient. On this point, I'll set it to white and this one to black. Alright, now I'll grab the move tool and duplicate the rectangle by holding Alt and drag it to the right. Then I'll press Ctrl J to duplicate more until they cover the whole canvas. After that, on the Layers panel, I'll select them all, right-click, and group them. I'll change the name to Glass Group. I like to make it a little blurry, so I'll click Filters here and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the radius. I'll change it to 3 pixels and close. I'll move the glass group underneath the image. I'll select the image layer, go to Filters, and select Displays. Now on the Live Displays window, I'll click Load Map from Layers beneath, and you'll see the glass reflection. What it does is, the image loads the effect from the layers below it, which is the glass group. Now I'll adjust the strength by sliding here. You can see how the effect looks. I'll just set it to 20 pixels and click Close. This is a live filter, which also means it's non-destructive, so you can readjust it later. Just click here to load the settings and make adjustment. Right now, this glass effect can be used in this document only. In case I want to reuse it in another document, here's how to do it. I'm gonna save the glass group as a new file, so I'll hide the image, showing only the glass group. Now I'll click here to export it as a PNG file. Enter any name you like. I'll save it as Glass Effects. Now let's unhide the image and hide the glass group. Delete the filter we applied before from the image layer. Select the image layer, go to Filters, then Displays. Now select Load Map from File. Choose the Glass Effects PNG file I've just exported and click Open. You can already see the reflected glass effect. Let's adjust the strength. Click Close, and that's it. So that's how you create a glass refraction or fractal glass effect in Affinity. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comment if you have anything to ask. Thanks for watching and good day.